TN versus Camborough versus hybrid pigs. Which breed is best for pig farming in Nigeria? One of the most important decisions in pig farming is choosing the right breed. Why is it so? Because different pig breeds produces different results. Some produce large litters, while some grow faster, and some are even more resistant to diseases. Right now, in my farm, we currently have 3 types of pigs: the TM breeds, the Camborough, and hybrid pigs. And not forgetting, our first mother pig was being crossed by a piglets, so we also have piglets, which are now growers on the side. But today, I want to explain the difference between these breeds and which one may perform best for pig farming in Nigeria. Now, why breed selection matters most. Many new farmers make a mistake. They buy pigs simply because they see that pigs are available. But let me tell you this: serious farmers require both planning and also breed selection, considering their litter sizes, piglet survival rates, feed efficiency, growth rate, and profitability. So choosing the right breed can make the difference between a profitable farm and a struggling farm. For example, let's take a quick overview of our farm breeds. At Ugocentury, we currently work with 3 main breeds. Each one of these breeds have different strengths. And part of our goal on this channel is to document their real performance on our farm. Let's start with the TM pigs. TM pigs are known for their good productive performance, decent litter sizes, good adaptability in tropical environments. On many other good farms that we know, the TN sow are said to produce around 8 to 10 piglets per litter, sometimes even more with good management. They are generally hardy animals, which makes them attractive for farmers in Nigeria. However, feed management and proper health care are still critical. Next, we have Camborough pigs, also known globally for their excellent mothering ability, also for their strong litter sizes and piglet survival rates. But honestly, many commercial farms prefer Camborough lines because they are highly productive under good management system. They often require proper nutrition and controlled breeding system to perform at their best. And the third category on our farm is the hybrid pigs, which is being created by crossing different breeds. The advantage of hybrids is that they can combine the strengths of multiple breeds. That alone can improve growth rates, also help against diseases, as well as improving feed conversion ratio. However, The result also depends on the quality of the breeding program. Now for us, one of the most interesting things we will document on this channel is which of these breeds perform best on our farm under our care. Meaning, we will be tracking their litter sizes, the pregnancy, piglet survival, growth rate, and also feed consumption. Because in agriculture, keeping data is more valuable than theory. Over the coming months, we will show the actual results from our farm. And if you are interested in pig farming in Nigeria or agriculture investment from the diaspora, make sure to subscribe to this channel because we will continue documenting the entire journey of Ugocentury Pig Farm. Tell me, which breed do you prefer best? Also comment below. Tell me, which breed do you prefer best? The Nigerians, the Camborough, or hybrid pigs? This is Ugocentury Pig Farm. Thanks for watching and see you again in our next video.